I spent probably 12 years smoking full packs of cigarettes almost every day. I personally always felt kind of bad about smoking cigarettes around non-smokers, but my craving always overcome my empathy for them. It's not that I didn't care, it's just this meant more to me than your inconvenience, so I'm sorry. It's what addiction does to you, like you put your personal feelings above anyone else. I was frustrated with how hard it was to quit, and I couldn't even remember why I started. I would always feel so upset with myself every time I was not able to successfully quit. My first experience with the Tobacco Helpline was amazing. They gave me the answers I needed, and I was able to find the success I was looking for. The patches and just the text messages that you would get were just so helpful. It felt like someone was on your team, that you weren't alone, that in your moment of weakness, you had somebody to kind of help pick you back up and tell you can keep going. Quitting smoking can be expensive, and so having a service that you don't have to financially be out of pocket for is so relieving, so helpful. For me, using the patch all the way to the end was like almost a psychosomatic thing of just knowing that I had completed it. Okay, like this is the final day I need the patch. After today, my body should feel just fine without it. And it was. If it wasn't for the Tobacco Helpline, I wouldn't have been successful. That's how much I credit them. It's changed my life. And if you try, you can change yours too.